It's raining again, y'all. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We're back in the 350z. It is raining outside right now, so I figured I got the GoPro right here, and I would take you guys along with me on like a rainy day drive. I have this road I've been wanting to drive for like the last month or two, and I love driving it when it's raining outside because it's just so many trees covering the road and stuff, and like when it's raining, it's just the best vibe ever. So we're gonna head down that way. I'm super excited. The views should be amazing, and it should just be a fun road to drive. I'm gonna get something to eat real quick because I haven't eaten yet, and it's like 12:30 in the afternoon, and then we'll be on our way. So anyways, thank you guys again for tuning in. Let's do it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put you down so I don't kill the camera battery. I'm gonna get some food. I'm thinking Wingstop over here, because wings are amazing. And then we're gonna go hit some canyons. So, see you in a few seconds. Heading up the road right now. Put these up for just a second. So we're going into Duluth. If you guys are familiar with like Temecula in Southern California, this is like the little mountain, like right next to Temecula. And it's got, basically, I mean, it's got like 3 or 4 good roads. Jeez. Oh, I'm getting a FaceTime. Hopefully this person turns off here soon because the road I love is actually just right over here. I guess we could always go around them. This is where it starts to get a little windy. Like I was saying earlier about there being little dips, I'll show you guys like right here. Here's one. I guess you'd call this kind of like an Arizona crossing, I guess, where it's not a bridge, but they let the water kind of, you know, flow across. So I mean, they're obviously, we got to go like 5 miles an hour through them, but they're pretty far apart, which is nice. See, here's another one, but this one's not as bad. Man, the dirty windshield is terrible. The best part is the further we go down, hopefully the more trees there will be, and then like the less, you know, terrible the windshield will look. Oh God. Oh, of course, the worst spot. There's literally a person. Woo-hoo-hoo. Seeing how slippery it was right there. Quite slippery through here, y'all. Not too much water, but a few spots with some standing water. I mean, this looks like you just go towards that wall. Man, this thing, I mean, handles so well. But my favorite part of the road's coming up because it's super windy and the trees are just so close together, and I just love that vibe. It's like my favorite. So I think it's coming up here actually. Oh, I mean, look at that. That's just so cool. Bumpy right there. Standing water. This is like the little second peak, and then we go down again, which is awesome because, you know, usually the deeper you go, the more, you know, trees there are, which is just so cool. Oh, another dip. Didn't see that one. There's no sign. Maybe there was, I didn't see it. Okay, my favorite part of the road is right here. Let's take our time to cruise through this spot just because, man, this is so terrible. Look how close, I mean, tree in the middle of the road and they just like paved around it. Flooded. Oh, it looks like it used to be. Gotta weld the diff, boys. Okay, real talk. I've been thinking about welding the diff. I know it totally, I mean, it doesn't mess up drivability, like daily driving, but I just think it would be so much fun to weld the diff, but, you know. Truck. Try a little, should do a little burnout? I mean, I don't have, like I said, my diff is not welded, so. It wasn't very good. It wasn't very good. School bus. Can you imagine driving this road in that? That would be insane. Look how many trees there are over here. It's just, I don't know, it's so foresty over here, which is just so cool, but. You know what's weird? I thought that the town was right after that, but I forgot that it's still, there's more canyon to this. There's like, I mean, it's not like a tree like it was, but I mean, it still rips just as hard, if not better, because there's no dips. Could you imagine if you lived at the end of this road every day? I would need new tires every like 3 months. Oh God, this is a sharp one. Oh yeah, just grinding up the sticks when we run them over, you know. Low gang. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I'm so glad we're not in that Prius. Could you imagine? That was a little fast. Oh my God, this thing just... You just point and it goes. Really not too bad for how tight my suspension is either. Like, I'm assuming if I had better quality suspension, I mean, we would be even faster through here. I'm only on lowering springs, so I mean, it's really as tight as it can be. So, you know, ooh, that's a big bump. I'm so glad we don't have anyone in front of us. This is amazing. Third, let's go. Oh, no problem. Braking, braking, braking. Oh man. people. Yeah. We got some fellow drivers. Is it just me, or is the road like green now? Don't tell you how sharp these turns are going to be. They're just like, yeah, it's a turn, good luck. I've noticed that the ones that are a little sharper, they put an arrow so you know. They're like, hey, this is a turn. But like, so that means sharp turn, yep. Big rock. Past it. Alright. Coming through. And in this type of situation, it's so easy to just let your foot rest on the clutch. You really don't want to do it, because that's how it overheats quickly. Trying to spend most of my time on the dead pedal, but it can be difficult at times. Oh god, I gotta be in second. We got cars coming, got cars coming, got cars coming. Oh, they're over there. Okay, we're good, we're good. Road is amazing. If you guys want to cruise this, hit me up. Comment down in the comments and we'll set something up. We'll get a bunch of people out here and we'll just drive this road because it is amazing. I mean, I can already tell you just this road alone, I'm gonna be so tired at the end. We got someone. Okay. I'm gonna take a breather for a second. We've been just ripping it. I don't want to push it too hard just because of the fact that it's pretty wet out still. And we're stuck behind this person, so you know, it is what it is. Alright you guys, I don't know how long this video is. We've just been cruising now for a few minutes just because this lady's not gonna pull over. I don't blame her. It's pretty wet out. She's probably doing it for my own safety, but I hope you guys enjoyed this rip. I love doing this type of stuff. If you guys like watching the POV canyoning type videos where we just go for a cruise and just drive, let me know down in the comments. I'll make more of them. Oh, get some air right there. Choo! Alright you guys, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because you know, we're just enjoying cars. Hit the like button if you haven't. Drop a comment if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.